This video I am showing how to delete old update files in your laptop or PC running with Windows 10. If you do this thing, the old updated files are deleted, which results in saving of your laptop or PC storage. So this video is helpful for both how to delete unwanted files in Windows 10 and how to save storage in your laptop or PC running with Windows 10. For this process, you don't need any software to install in your system. Just follow the steps I am showing according to. Open my PC or my computer. The name differs from laptop or PC to PC. There you can select C disk, where all Windows update files as well as the programs are installed default. Open the folder of C disk and you can observe Windows old file. Don't worry, some of you are not seeing this. If you are installing very major update, this folder will be created for safer side. If in case you are having this folder after update, delete this folder which is having past update. It's like backup for safer side. Also note this point guys, delete this folder only after completion of new update. But in some cases, if you try to delete, mostly it won't happen due to these security reasons. Now do this process, and this is for all users. Right click on C disk, go to properties, disk cleanup. A pop-up will be shown where you need to select cleanup system files. Again a pop-up will appear. There you select type of files that you are going to delete permanently. Since the video is for only removing old files, old Windows files, I am choosing the previous Windows installation folder. Hit OK. Just wait for some time to complete this process. Meanwhile, I will share one thing guys. If you are going to purchase any products from Amazon or Flipkart, I will leave my affiliate link down in description box. If you click the link and buy whatever you want in these websites, some commission will be credited to my account because of you. If you're already doing this, thank you so much guys for your support. This process takes some time to complete. Also for you, I'm showing the storage of my C disk before and after completion of this process. Here you can observe the differences. That's all about the video guys. I hope this video will helpful for you and it saved some storage in your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching till the end. My name is Raj Shekhar. You're watching Tech Bunny and I will catch you in the next one.